So yun po, yung Artiverse, it is a safe platform po para sa mga Filipino artists and creatives where they can yun po, showcase their art and eventually earn from their craft po. Yung Artiverse, may way siya where they can, like anyone, any Filipino can post their artworks and it can get recognized by people who visit the site. Pero may tawag nito, may feature din siya which is ano sila, tawag nito, makabenta sila ng mga artworks nila. Oo,
Hmm.
bale, it can be a hub para sa mga artists, parang social media para sa artists.
Yeah.
But at the same time, may marketplace siya. Yun po, since the RA 11904, it has many domains po sa creative industry. Pero we will focus muna po sa 4 domains which is paintings and drawings, digital art, photography, and handcraft, which is ma-fall
Ah.
doon yung mga tawag nito,
Sculpture,
sculptures,
oo.